Have you ever pondered about the existence of plants that eat insects? Imagine a world where the tables are turned, where the hunted become the hunters, a world filled with unique and fascinating species of carnivorous plants. Get ready to dive into the captivating world of carnivorous plants. First on our list is the most famous of all carnivorous plants, the Venus flytrap. Ingeniously, this hunter uses its sensitive hairs to sense unsuspecting prey. Once triggered, it clamps shut, beginning a process of digestion. This fascinating predator truly is a marvel of nature. Next, we have the pitcher plant, a master of deception. Its unique structure, a hollow tube filled with digestive fluid, lures insects with sweet nectar. Unbeknownst to the unsuspecting prey, a deadly trap awaits within. The pitcher plant truly is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Finally, we introduce the sundew, a plant with a sticky situation. This fascinating species uses sticky gland-tipped tentacles to ensnare and digest unsuspecting insects. Its name, sundew, reflects its glistening appearance, reminiscent of morning dew. The sundew, with its sparkling trap, adds a touch of beauty to the world of carnivorous plants. These unique plants are just a few examples of nature's fascinating adaptations. From the ingenious Venus flytrap, the slippery doom of the pitcher plant, to the sticky trap of sundews, each has its unique survival strategy. If you found this journey into the world of carnivorous plants fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content.